Lagundi, or Vitex negundo, is a remarkable shrub that I've come to appreciate for its many uses. With its beautiful purple flowers and aromatic leaves, it's more than just a pretty plant. Traditionally, it's been a go-to remedy for coughs, colds, and even fever. When I feel a tickle in my throat or a sneeze coming on, I turn to Lagundi. Its anti-inflammatory and anti-asthmatic properties are well documented, making it a trusted ally against respiratory infections. The Department of Health recognizes it as a natural remedy, which gives me confidence in its effectiveness. It's fascinating how nature provides us with such powerful tools for our health.